In today's video we're talking about how to make money online with no experience. And look, it doesn't matter whether you've got experience, skills or even money, because earning online it's 100% possible. In fact, on the screen right now is my blog, and I've been sharing about numerous methods of earning online for years, and there's just so many ways you can do this without skills, without experience, and a lot of them, they're not difficult. They just take some time and effort. Now in today's video I'm going to share with you a number of ways that you can make money with zero experience. I'm going to share with you some different websites and different resources which you can get started with today, and we'll just go through this step by step. And look, if you do find this video useful, please give it a like, I'd really appreciate that. And if you have any comments, let me know down below. So let's jump over into the first website I'll share with you is this one over here. Now this is called Canva.com. Now this is absolutely free to sign up with. I'll drop a link to this below for you and you can go over to this. Now inside of here, this is the software, and literally it's drag and drop. Now in here you can see, look, we've got templates. So we've got social media templates, we've got personal, business, etc, etc. So how can you make money with this software? Well, there's a number of platforms where you could literally utilize this for free. So the first one is, if I come over here and I go to this website over here, it's called Fiverr.com. We'll go over here and I'll just show you this. So if we come into Fiverr, let's just go to, let me just click on accept and let's scroll down. So see over here, graphic and design. Well, guess what? This piece of software over here, we can create graphics inside of here. We can also design things. So we've got logo design, we've got brand style guides, we've got gaming, we've got game art, graphics for streamers, Twitch. See all of these things here, all of these categories. These are people. So if I click on logo design as an example, come in here, we can see people are creating logos. Sorry, let me just come off this. You could just come off there. So if I scroll down here, look, you can see, look, I will design a flat minimalist logo for starting at £7.83. So I'm in the UK, this is the UK pricing. So guess what you can do in Canva? You can actually, if you just type in the word logo, now look, food logo, gaming logo, etc, etc. So if I just go with food logo, we'll go into here. And you can see, look, there's 2,930 templates, and these templates, bearing in mind, they're just that, the templates. Now some are paid, so we're not going to look at those, but we'll just go with, let's go with this one over here, and you can see it's free. So this is a template. Now inside of here you can edit and drag and play around with any part of this. So for example, you see this image over here, if we didn't like that, we can change the color. See, like so, you can play around with it like this. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can do what you want. You can play around with the text, again, make it bigger, smaller, change the font size of this. If I wanted it in that font, could leave it on there. Then if I want to make that a bit bigger like so, we can drag it out across here. We can upload images inside of here. So you can see it's just really simple to use. So if I wanted to go with something, say food, like so, we could go with any of these. So if I wanted that pizza, I could, guess what, I could put that in over there, and then I can resize it like so. So that's one example inside of this piece of software over here. But that's just one option for you. If I go click on the go back and we come back over here to graphics and design, we can go through and just basically have a look at all of these, because anything to do with design, pretty much you can go ahead and create inside of this software over here. I'll share with you a couple more examples. I'll type in over here, I'll type in YouTube, and we'll just type in art, or in fact we'll go with YouTube thumbnail. So look, you create YouTube thumbnail. And again, scroll down, with people here will create YouTube thumbnails for you. And remember, this here is a starting price. So if I just click on here, and we'll go into this one over here, look, basic, one YouTube thumbnail within 2 hours will cost about $5. If you click on standard, they will do 3 thumbnails for £7.83, and then we've got premium starting at £15. So again, go back over here, we're just going to type in YouTube thumbnail, and look, YouTube thumbnail, and we can go in here and it's the same concept. So literally any one of these where it says free, we click on there, it opens up into a new tab, and then we can go in and edit this based upon anything that we want. Now, that there is just one platform that you can use, which is Fiverr. You can literally use this software on hundreds of freelancing websites. So you've got Fiverr. You could even go onto platforms like, you could go onto Upwork, you could go onto guru.com, you could go onto People Per Hour, and many more. Because look, people will pay you to complete these tasks for them because, they might think that they're not very good at creating these things. They might not have the time to do this. And, this is just a few examples whereby you don't need any experience. As you can see in here, it's drag and drop. It's genuinely really simple. And I'm sure, there'll be some of you saying, oh, it's very oversaturated on Fiverr, or, it's hard to get work on Upwork. But you've got to start somewhere, haven't you? And in terms of Fiverr, I know people who have, gone from zero. I know someone personally who's earned over $25,000 on Fiverr as a side hustle, creating gigs and uploading them, and he does them on an evening when he's finished work. It's not hard and it's not difficult. So you can, there's lots of options in here. Just go into I forgot what I was saying. Go into the tabs along the top here and just have a look at, what's available, what people are offering, and then use this piece of software over here, which is called Canva.com. Other things you can do inside of Canva is you can create printables and you can sell them over on platforms like Etsy, and you can come through and have a look and literally just play around with this because it's simple, it's easy, and it's absolutely free to get started with. So that there is one method for you where you can make money with zero experience. I think you'll agree. It's simple, it's straightforward, it just takes time and effort. Okay, so that is the first one we've looked at, which is called Canva.com. The next method I'm going to share with you, and again, you do not need any experience for this, is affiliate marketing. Now, in the beginning, you can get started completely for free. Now, when we're talking about affiliate marketing, how do you make money from this? Well, if you do not know, affiliate marketing is whereby you can partner up with companies like Amazon and you can recommend and share products in the form of a YouTube video, a blog article. You can create Facebook groups and lots more. In fact, over on my blog here, I actually wrote an article about this, and you can go and look, Amazon affiliate marketing with a Facebook group. These groups are from Facebook where they've partnered up with Amazon, and all they're doing is, if I'll scroll on to this article, I'll show you this, and again, I'll link out to some different Facebook groups for you here. You can see this one over here, this huge bargains, extreme couponing and latest deals group. All they're doing is they've partnered up with Amazon. They get given a link, which is, as you can see here, it says add. It's their affiliate link, and they're just sharing it with members of the group. So if I click on check out the group here, I'll quickly show you this. But affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. And as I've mentioned, you definitely do not need any skills or experience. So let me go to this one over here, because I'm sure I'm a member of this one over here. Yes, I am. So you can see on here, look, 83,000 members. This is in the UK. And all they're doing is they're sharing what are known as bargains. But if I scroll down here, look, reduced. It's just an Amazon link. Scroll further on the page here, look, Amazon link. This one, etc. And literally what happens here is anytime somebody clicks one of these links, goes over to Amazon and buys, this product, then they also earn an affiliate commission for doing so. It's basically, they give you a link, you share your link, and you can do that in a number of ways, and you can earn money. Again, you don't need any experience to create a Facebook group and to get a link from Amazon and start sharing it. This is one method with affiliate marketing. Another method is whenever you're online shopping or you're looking to buy something. I'll give you another example. Let's say we was in the market for, I don't know, let's just say we're looking for a laptop under $100. So let's just go with best laptop under $100. Okay. So I'm interested in buying a laptop. I'm going online to do a bit of research. We're going to come down here. Look, 5 best cheap laptops under $100. That's interesting to me because I'm looking for one. Let's go ahead and have a look. So let me just click with I'm cool with that. What? Yeah, let's just go with that. And we're going to scroll down. And what we will find here is basically this is an affiliate marketing website. So if I come further down the page here, look, deals on HP laptops. If I click on that, that is an affiliate link. We'll come further down the page here. Again, look, deals on laptops. Click on there. Where's it taking me to? It's taking me over to this website over here. Okay, now if I come back out of here, go a bit further down the page here, come further down, look, wired again, this here, let me click on here. This is, again, it's an affiliate website. So the best budget laptops under £500. Scroll further down the page here, look, image, come a bit further down, and it will say, look, check price on Amazon. If I click on that, buy that laptop, then the owner of this blog or website here, they earn an affiliate commission. The same for any of these. And literally, whenever you're shopping online, pretty much any website you're visiting is an affiliate laptop. It's not, is an affiliate website, sorry. And this is just a couple of examples how you can do affiliate marketing. Like, you can create blogs like this for free. You can create a Facebook group where you're sharing links. Again, that's free. You can go onto Pinterest and Quora and other places and literally share it. If you're interested in, creating a website completely for free, again, I'll drop a link to this below for you. You can come over to this platform over here and they will give you 2 free, laptops again, 2 free websites. Now, how this works over here is, look, transform your ideas into profits. Basically, what they say to you is, if you've got an idea for a certain category or a niche, so if you wanted to create a website, around, say, cameras, then they will, they'll take that idea with you. They will then show you, well, they don't show you, they will build you inside of here 2 websites, and it's drag and drop. So similar to what we looked at over on Canva over here, where we're just dragging and changing elements, it's the same on this here. Once you've built your website, they will then show you how to attract traffic, i.e. get your articles to rank in Google, and then they show you how to partner up with Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and many more, whereby you can simply earn money. Now, they're available in 193 different countries, and again, you don't need any experience, you don't need any skills, and you don't need money. So I'll drop a link to that below for you. But affiliate marketing, that's a great way of making money online. If you come over to the blog again, click on affiliate marketing. If you scroll down on here, I've got lots more resources on here for you. We've got, affiliate marketing with YouTube, the Amazon group. We've got a review on here. We test out different softwares. I shared a case study where I made $11,000 in 30 days. And, there's lots more on here, so you can go ahead and have a look at this. But look, that there is just a couple of ideas and suggestions for you of how you can make money online with no experience. We've also got things like dropshipping, eBay, we've got flipping items, and many more. You'll find lots of resources over in the blog, so go ahead and check it out. But look, that's today's video. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But yeah, look, it is possible to earn online with 0 experience, and I'm not talking about crappy surveys and watching videos to make money. I'm talking about genuine ways where you can literally build up a decent side hustle. So yeah, thanks again. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.